Let me revise the formulas which we derived, which are very very important and useful in the formulas. ये सब एक आप नोटबुक में मतलब पेपर पे लिख के इसको पेस्ट करो जहां सोते बेड के पास, उठते ही दिखना और आपको सोते समय दिखना, आपको तभी याद हो जाते हैं आपको. Okay, so now the first important formula is the relation between E, W, G and S. E, W, G and S. So it is given by the formula E is equal to omega G by S. This is very, very, very important formula. E is White's ratio, omega is water content, G is equal to specific gravity, S is equal to degree of saturation. Of course, if soil is saturated, S becomes 1. So the formula becomes E equal to W saturated into G. This is the first formula you should remember. This is the first formula you should remember. That is E is equal to omega G by S. E is equal to omega G by S. Second is Na is equal to E into 1 minus S divided by 1 plus E. What is Na? Na is equal to percentage air whites. Percentage air whites is equal to E into 1 minus S divided by 1 plus E. Okay, E is equal to omega G by S. This is the first important formula you should know. Second is Na is equal to E into 1 minus S divided by 1 plus E. So what is Na? Na is equal to percentage air whites. E is equal to White's ratio. S is equal to degree of saturation. This is the second formula. Na is equal to E into 1 minus S divided by 1 plus E. Third is Na is equal to N into AC. Na is equal to N into AC. What is Na? Percentage air whites. N is equal to porosity. AC is equal to air content. This is the third derivation we did. And fourth is, this is very, very, very important. Gamma D is equal to G into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. Or most of the question may directly E pushta, E is equal to G gamma W by gamma D minus 1. Either you remember gamma D is equal to G into gamma W divided by 1 plus E, or E is equal to G into gamma W by gamma D minus 1. E is equal to G into gamma W by gamma D minus 1. This you should know. E is equal to G into gamma W by gamma D minus 1. Got it? Next is gamma saturated is equal to G plus E into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. Gamma saturated is equal to G plus E into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. This is the formula. And gamma is equal to G plus ES divided by 1 plus E into gamma W. If you remember this formula, no, this formula and this formula are very easy. आप अगर से 26th फॉर्मूला डिराइव करना सीखे तो 25th और 23rd अपने आप आ जाते, क्योंकि इस फॉर्मूले में अगर से आप S is equal to 0 रखेंगे तो S is equal to 0 means ड्राई सॉइल, तो गामा D is equal to G upon 1 plus E into gamma W बनता, which is nothing but formula 23. अगर से आप इस फॉर्मूले में S is equal to 1 रखें, S is equal to 1 रखें, so this becomes G plus E divided by 1 plus E to gamma W, which is nothing but the formula number 25. Which is nothing but the formula number, I mean, here it is 25. It is not a standard mark. So gamma saturation is equal to this one. So if this derivation is asked, even if you do this derivation and put S is equal to 0, you will get this one. And if you put S is equal to 1, you will get this one. You will get this one. I hope this is very much clear to you. Then we did gamma submerged. Gamma submerged is given by Z minus 1 divided by 1 plus E into gamma W. Then weight of dry soil, this is very important. Weight of dry soil is given by total weight divided by 1 plus omega. WD is equal to total weight divided by 1 plus omega. Or gamma D is equal to gamma divided by 1 plus omega. Weight divided by 1 plus omega, or gamma D is equal to gamma divided by 1 plus omega. This is also very important. When bulk density is given, how to find dry density. Gamma dash also is equal to this formula 29. Gamma D into 1 minus N into gamma W. Then gamma is equal to gamma D plus S into gamma saturation minus gamma D. This also you know. And this is the formula. This formula, when I have to derive, I will derive it afterwards. So at least these things you should know. So this completes the basic things of soil mechanics. Of course, इसके numericals है, बहुत सारे numericals हम करेंगे एक के बाद एक, लेकिन यहाँ तक आपको, I hope everything is clear to you. I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any doubts, please you can ask. If you have any doubts, you can ask. कुछ है आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो आप तो इसके बाद में स्पीड पकड़ लेगा, सिलेबस स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. अब तक if you have any doubt whether my speed, my language या कोई और चीज है, और most probably as you know the offline classes may start. If it starts, it is well and good. Most of the things will be face to face only. So till now also, if you have any doubts, you can ask me, you can tell me. It is up to you. कुछ डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं आप. तो सारे चीजें मैं कवर करा. ये जो डेरिवेशंस है 12, अगले क्लास में फिर एक बार और रिपीट करता हूं. आप एक बार प्रैक्टिस करो, फिर मैं एक बार और करता हूं, तो इट विल बी इजियर. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल गो फॉर द न्यूमेरिकल्स. मेन टॉपिक हो गया आपका. इसके बाद मैं फास्ट में पढ़ा सकता हूं आपको. आपको ये बेसिक चीजें पता होना चाहिए. व्हाट इज वाइड्स रेशियो, व्हाट इज पोरोसिटी, व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन देम. See how many relations are there, how many formulas are there. It's not that much easy to remember all this, and neither that much difficult also. Suppose if you practice it, if you understand the concept, White's ratio क्या है, wide क्या है, solid क्या है, air क्या है, water क्या है, और उसके अलग अलग properties क्या है. If you understood these properties very in detail, no, it's very easier for you. Very easier for you. कुछ डाउट्स है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं इसके बाद. Anyway, I will now go and take the attendance for which you people join in the end. If you have any doubts, you can ask please. Everything in this slide I have given you. जो doubts नहीं आ रहे थे बच्चों को, derivation जो थर्ड में क्लियर नहीं थे, जैसा कि थर्ड है, थर्ड डेरिवेशन है, सेवंथ डेरिवेशन है, 8th डेरिवेशन है, 9th डेरिवेशन है, 10th डेरिवेशन है, ये सब उसमें क्लियर नहीं है. 11th है, तो इसमें मैं और क्लियर किया हूं. फोर्थ पीपीटी इज रिपीटेड. मोस्ट ऑफ द डेरिवेशंस आर रिपीटेड. एंड देन दिस इज द डेरिवेशन आई विल टेल यू आफ्टरवर्ड्स. दिस इज नॉट. और एक चीज है, मेरे को एक सॉफ्ट कॉपी शेयर करना है. एक दो लोग पूछे भी मेरे को कल उदय, तो अच्छी बुक है वो अरोरा की, आज शेयर करूंगा मैं. बट फॉर दैट वन आई हैव टू गेट द कॉमन ईमेल आईडी ऑफ योर क्लास, so that at the time I can send to both the sections A and B at once, because individually मैं भेजते नहीं बैठ सकता, तो मैं आपको commonly भेज दूंगा. Then I defined all these things. Everything is clear. It should be clear. All the derivations once again I will do it. एक बार आप practice करो. Today I will share these slides. Tomorrow is Sunday, holiday is there. You can work in the home. All these things on Monday when I resume the class. So That time it will be easier. Mute karo. Okay, shall I stop here and take the attendance? Okay.